Hello, I would like to offer my tech experience through the years that I've been working in tech companies. Uh, I can offer online teaching combined with videos that I will make for you on these subjects. First of all, you can look me up on Facebook on the page of Online Tech Teaching in Facebook. I can teach and make tutorials on Ubuntu Server, VM, Virtual Machine, PHP, Python. Python would be Python for beginners, which is double G. MySQL, jQuery, CSS, HTML, also Git, and the other one is Mercurial, if I read it right. Mercurial repository system. So that's it. You can message me in Online Tech Teaching. Search for it on Facebook, and you can message me there. And you can email me to info@deposter.net, and I will get your email. That's it. So thank you, and I hope you contact me and we can start learning. Bye bye.